Well, I have some good news. Today is the day that we work for all year. Well, I'm exaggerating a little, but harvest. Get those bunch of seeds from that one seed that we planted. There's a movie making in progress. Getting the header finished up.
Hey Justin, that worked great.
We'll have this up and running
In 15 minutes.
Going up. Are you ready? The harvest is beginning. Lord willing, here we go. We didn't know it at the time, but apparently something was wrong with the auger, even after all the repairs that we've had done to the combine pre-season. The belt's